Hi guys, this is Gaurav Jana. Welcome to Gossipfunda. In this video, we are going to know about Outlook. Outlook is a part of Microsoft Office 365. It is a free application and used mostly in email communication. It is purely designed for business purposes. The user can even categorize and manage personal information as the Outlook is made up of attributes like calendar tasks, contacts, and notes, etc. Features of Outlook. First, the consistent design of Outlook. It is a major plus point to the user because of the consistent look and design. Users can daily log into Outlook without any confusion and can continue their work. If we consider the example of Gmail, the name of the inbox sometimes keeps on changing like a new compose or a new inbox. Second, user can check their emails even offline, whereas only previous month's mails can be read in Gmail. Third, creation and categorization. The creation and categorization of emails using different folders under inbox are pretty comfortable in Outlook. The user can even drag their folders and sort them alphabetically under inbox. Fourth, tracking of emails. The user can track their emails by date, time, senders, etc. here in Outlook. Sorting emails by size is another add-on features in Outlook compared to Gmail. Fifth, flagging an email. Here, user can flag their emails in different colors, which assigns a priority to an email, which is not possible in Gmail. This makes the work platform more productive. Sixth, contact card. The next important item is the contact card in Outlook, which comprises a photo of the user and also provides the presence of the person. Presence indicates busy, offline, or available. By viewing the status, the user can fix meetings, appointments, assign tasks, make calls, or chat with the contact. Last but not the least, scheduling the meeting. Here, the user can schedule their meeting by observing the other user's calendar status. Even the user can personally make the calendar status busy if required. For more details, check out our blog page. The link will be in the description. If you have any queries, drop them down in the comment box below. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Thank you.